So hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Brianna, and in today's video I'm going to be filming an everyday makeup tutorial. So this is what the outcome looks like. So yeah, stay tuned to see how you can look like this, or like at least do your makeup like this anyways. You can't look like me because I'm me, bitch, you feel me? Anyways, so in this video is a little bit crazy. This is not really a makeup tutorial because I'm not the best making tutorials. That's why I don't really film makeup videos, but I thought it was much needed. I've had people ask me, do a makeup video, you have no one in a while. So here I am doing a makeup video. I wanted to do this fall makeup look, but I didn't really have time for that today. So if any of you guys are interested in continue watching how to look like this, just continue watching. I'm so awkward. Okay, just watch this video. It's pretty fun and interesting, I hope. Hey everyone, what is up? So in today's video I'm doing a makeup video. This seems really weird because I haven't filmed a makeup video in literally forever. So I know the lighting is very bad. It's always very bad when I do makeup videos. I don't have a great setup for lighting. My background's also a mess, so just ignore everything about this video except the makeup. This is going to be an everyday makeup tutorial. And by everyday, I mean when I have time to do my makeup, because I don't always do my makeup. We're just going to start off with this professional primer. I'm just going to skip for this stuff because y'all don't really care. It's literally just primer. This lighting is so bad. I'm not a makeup guru. I'm just good at makeup. If that makes any type of sense at all, and if you guys even care to hear this part of the video, but yeah. Foundation time. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro concealer, not concealer, LA Girl Pro foundation, and this is in the shade, I don't know, fair, because the girl is fair, because it is winter time, not winter time, it's fall time, you know, your girl's losing her summer tan, sadly. But yeah, I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand, take my Morphe sponge, and blend this into my face. How annoying are my bracelets right now. Make sure you blend down the neck. Now I'm going to be concealing using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer. And I'm just gonna do the basic. That's all I need for concealer. I freaking love this concealer. It's so light, but it gives you like a nice highlight. It's so freaking good, you guys. It's like water based, so like it's very light coverage. So you know how a minute ago I said that this was all I needed? I lied. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape now and just put this literally right here. I think I've been missing a little bit of sleep, so like my eyes are getting bags and like dark circles, and that's not okay because I've never had dark circles ever in my life, knock on some wood. Using the Laura Mercier setting powder and translucent. Damn. And I just use a damn beauty blender to set this under my eyes. I'll leave that there for a minute to bake a little bit. And then chin, forehead. And then I just beat the rest of my face. This is literally the only powder that I use to set in my whole face. I can use it for everything, literally everything. And I'm also gonna set my eyelids using this. I just use a little Real Techniques brush and just do this. Just set my eyeballs. Because I'm not doing any eyeshadow, like on a daily basis. I don't have time for eyeshadow. To bronze, I'm using this butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. And I'm using a Morphe brush. It looks like this. It's dirty, so don't mind it. I don't wash my brushes, and that's probably a bad idea. Like, I wash my brushes like literally probably once a year. Maybe twice a year if it's a good year. That's very bad. That's why I'm not a beauty guru. Although I would like to, because like I want to go to college, and I want to go to college for cosmetology, but I'm having second thoughts about that because I don't know if this could be like a life career for me. because I mean I love doing makeup. It's basically just for like hair, and like your girl cannot do hair to save her life. Literally I can't even barely straighten my hair the correct way, so I don't know where my life is taking me. I don't really have plans for my future other than I want to get an apartment soon because your girl got a second job. Hopefully I got the job. I don't even know if I got it yet because the lady hasn't texted me back. But anyways, I'm getting off track here. This is a tutorial somewhat. Oh, I got my nails redid, but I hate them because they literally look like a square nail and they're supposed to be coffin shaped. Please tell me, are these coffin? Because I don't think they are. They definitely aren't. Your girl got a small brush to do her nose contour, her nose contour, you know. I'm not the best at this still, but she upgraded to a smaller brush. Huh? Just go down the sides of your nose until it's literally like orange everywhere. By the way, do you think it looks bad? I know I do. I take the Morphe sponge and blend it out though, so it's not as harsh. Is that the right word? I'm gonna use this NARS Orgasm Blush. I don't know why I just said it like that. Once again, taking a dirty brush and applying this onto my cheeks, you know, like the apples in my cheeks, and I just blend it upwards because I'm such a girl. Time for some highlight action, you feel me? You feel me? This is literally like my favorite part. The whole thing because it's so easy and it just makes everything go from up to okay. So we're just gonna go ahead and set the face using the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. Alright, I'm gonna use this palette by BH Cosmetics. It's the Carly Bible Deluxe Edition. And I'm just gonna use this rose gold highlighter because it's so pretty. Hello, Carly, where you at? Where you at though? Oh, there you are. Okay, I see. Oh my god, you guys see that highlight? Oh my god! Why didn't the other side look like that though? There we go. Yeah, y'all can't really see that side, so just look at this side. This side looks way better than the other side. I think it's just the lighting though, because I have bad lighting. Like I don't have a studio set up where I can just be like bam in every single direction I look. It don't work like that for me. You know what? I'm just gonna go in with this. Might be a bad decision, but I'm just gonna go in with this this white highlight, so it can be like way more popping or way more highlighty. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't even know what I mean, so I don't know if you know what I mean. You know what I mean. I'm so sorry, I'm annoying. I'm also gonna highlight my nose, but I don't use this brush either for my nose because I realized that it's too big. It makes everything look way too fat. So we're gonna go get a smaller brush, and this might not be the right brush to do this, but this is what I use. This is an e.l.f. small precision brush. It looks like that. It's very tiny, and I'm just gonna go in with this shade and this shade and highlight the tip of my nose. I do like an exclamation mark. Oh my god, y'all see that highlighter? And then I just an exclamation mark, like I said. What else do I do? Oh yeah, eyeliner. I used to not do this because I used to be very bad at eyeliner, but I'm gonna go ahead and do eyeliner. I'm going to take this cutie. It has a little freaking cat ears on the top. It's so freaking cute. This is the Sex Kitten but Tarte liner. And I'm just gonna do a wing, and I'm not even gonna bother doing this on camera because I already know it's gonna fuck it up. So I'm just gonna be right back. Oh fuck, can I even speak today? No. I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera and I'll be right back. If this doesn't look bad, I really don't know what does. After about 5.5 hours, we're back and the eyeliner still looks bad, but we're just gonna ignore that, okay? Okay. We're gonna move on to lashes now because this is where you got to go from literally ugly to glamorous in like a matter of 5 minutes, depending on how long it takes you to put on eyelashes. So yeah, we're just gonna do that, and I'm gonna put on some mascara first. So let me do that. We're gonna use Better Than Sex mascara because bitch, this is better than sex, literally. Yeah, let me curl my lashes because why wouldn't you want to curl your lashes? LMFAO, I'm literally laughing at how I did my bottom mascara. Like, how do you not make ugly faces when you do mascara? Especially your bottom mascara. Like, how? Please explain. So for our eyelashes, they're kind of old, kind of raggedy, didn't want them. I'm not going to show them a lot. I literally ordered new lashes and they haven't come yet. It's been over 2 weeks. I don't know where they are. They might be lost in shipping. I don't know. We're just going to go ahead and glue these suckers on. I hate how there's like hairs, invisible hairs, and I just feel them. And anybody else relate to that? Anybody else? Does anybody else relate to that? I think I'm the only one, honestly. Yeah, they're still very, very wet. I could tell. So I'm just gonna fan them. We're so close to becoming poppin', you guys. So close. Here goes nothing. Oh my god, and she's free again. And she's free again. Holy fuck. I fucking love eyelashes. Literally takes you from a 0 to a 10 in 5 seconds. Okay. So now for the lippity-doo-dahs, we're going to line the lips and then we're going to put on a lip gloss. So this is the lip liner by Wet n Wild and it's in shade Bare to Commit, and it also is cruelty free. If any of y'all basically wanted to know. I'm just gonna line my lips with this. It's like a mauvey pink color. It doesn't match this at all, but whatever. Just want to have some type of base on my lips before I put on the gloss. So my lips have shape, because we all know I have literally no lips. Alright, so now that we have that ugly concoction going, I'm gonna go ahead and put this lip gloss on. This is by NYX. It's a butter gloss, and this is in the shade Praline. Can you guys even read that? No, you can't. Okay, but anyways, yeah, we're just gonna apply this. I love this freaking gloss. It literally smells and tastes so delicious. The color is perfect. God, I just want to like eat this whole container up. It smells so freaking good, you guys. Like, oh my god. I need to get more of this actually. So this is the completed look. How do you guys like it? You guys love it? I love it. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, don't forget to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I never blow kisses to you guys. I think I'm gonna do that when I make makeup videos. My cat is going to get me real soon.